Greetings everyone, in this video I'm going to explain you how you can make a Python alarm clock. Yes, and today I'm going to open the two Python platforms. The first is going to be Idle platform, the second one is PyCharm platform, where we officially work. Before starting action, I want you to subscribe and put like to my video. And I want to remind you that I have a second Minecraft channel where I play the Minecraft episodes, and today I'm going to publish the new Minecraft channel. So I'm making the daily videos in my Windows Online channel, but in Minecraft channel I'm making the videos after 1 day, 2 days. Alright guys, so what you have to do right now is the same thing. So we always, as usual, create a new text document and right here clock. And what we're gonna do then, secondly, we're gonna create a new folder and call it also clock. So what we're gonna do then, clock, we're gonna transfer it to the clock folder and open the clock folder and go to the clock.txt, rename it and change the txt format to the py format. We're gonna open the idle python. So if you want to install the idle python, link will be in description down. Also, I'm gonna put the link of the PyCharm. You can go and install this PyCharm platform too. Now we're gonna create a new file and we will save it as. Why I created the other clock Python in order to open it in the PyCharm platform. Now we're gonna call it clock AR. That's all. So we're gonna save it and we can start our program. So if you remember, we have a library called datetime, and if you don't have a datetime library, you can go to the CMD, press enter, and then start right here, pip install datetime, and press enter. Installed it. But usually if you use a PyCharm automatically installs the chief libraries for you. This kind of simple libraries always exist in your Python interpreter. But in this situation, we don't have any interpreters here. That's why you have to check up, did you install the Python datetime? And we're gonna start right here. For example, we're gonna invent the a box, which will be equal to the int, because we're gonna work with number, input, and right here, hour. Great. And the second box, it's gonna be b box and the same int input, and this is gonna be minute. Great. Then let's make it more grammarly and put here these signs, and then we're gonna create the c box for am and pm format. We're gonna write here int input, because look at my time here, 4:21 p.m. and let's write here. But PyCharm platform works also with normal hour and AM with PM too. I'm gonna show you later. So let's write here AM or p.m. Now we're gonna write the real program. If c will be equal to the p.m grade, then a will be equal to the a plus 12. Now we're gonna create the while function. And here we're gonna write 1 equal 1, and right here, if right here hour will be equal to the datetime dot now dot hour, and b minute will be equal to the datetime dot now dot minute. So it's gonna be more easy when I will start writing it in PyCharm, and it's gonna be faster. We're gonna write there print. I'm gonna write time, that's all. Right here break and right here print. So because if you will write here just break and we'll start your program is gonna finish, because you're gonna get mistake, because break never works without print. If you don't want to write anything, you can just write here print and keep the print empty. I'm gonna write here good day. Now I'm gonna start this script and show you that this is really works. Now if we will run the script, you will see the platform function which is as the hour, 4 hours and 29 minutes, and I'm gonna set the time to the p.m. Great. So now look at the time. Great, as you can see. I'm gonna show it again. We're gonna run a script and write here hour 4:30 minutes and p.m. As you can see, look at my time. My time is 4:29, and when it will be the 4:30, you will automatically see in the screen hello, or what I wrote here is it's time. I just don't cut the video because I want to show you that I'm not cheating here. This is true. Or if you have a Python, you can take and write the same function and you will get the same answer from function. And we got 5 4 3 2 1, and here we go, time, good day. So you can put the music, you can put everything which you want there. I'm not gonna put the music because if I will do that, YouTube will say that this is a copyright because music is not mine. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. You're gonna write here import OS, then you have to go a little down and delete the absolute print. Right here dd equals to the path of the file, and then right here os.file start and your dd file, and then you will be available to do everything here. And here we write the time. Now guys, I want to show you same things in PyCharm platform. Now I want to show you the same things in PyCharm platform. Let's look at the difference. I think we're not gonna get some difference. I'm gonna do that faster and more effective. So let's open the clock.py with PyCharm and wait a while when the PyCharm will open. We're gonna trust the project. Now after opening the PyCharm, we're gonna do same things here. We're gonna write here import datetime. Then we're gonna write a equals to the int input. It's comfortable work with PyCharm. Hour. Then let's write here b box equals to the int input. It's gonna be minute, and the c box will be equal to the str input a.m. or pm. If c be equal to the p.m put, a will be equal to the a plus 12. I'm gonna write in pm format. And here we have to write while if a, I mean hour, equals to the datetime, then datetime now dot hour. And now if minute box will be equal to the datetime dot now dot minute, print a and then break comment. Same things. I just changed the print word, and here we have to write good day. You can write everything which you want. You can write your name, you can put the music and so on. So here we got a mistake. We have to change this one and this. And now guys, if we will start the script, then we're gonna get our alarm clock. So let's now check out what we got. Hour is 4. I'm not gonna wait a lot. You can set the real alarm clock, but in order that you're not gonna turn off your computer. You can sleep and put the music as I said. I'm gonna do that too. Just watch the video until the end. Know everything. I just made the video which is not findable in Google or in YouTube. No one is gonna compare the two platforms, but I'm gonna do that for you. Now we're gonna set the minute 39 and p.m. and wait for 4:39 is 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And as you can see, hey, good day. So this is our program, and program is working. So now I'm gonna try to connect any file here. I'm not gonna connect the music here, okay? I just thinking about it, so I just made a big video. And what happens if the YouTube will ban my video? I just have to delete it and make it all things again. So that's why I'm gonna make alarm clock. For example, you came from work and you want to open your text file in time. So let's create the text file here. New text file. That's all. And let's just put the short name here. 1. Great. So then you have to go to the Python and import here OS. Great. Now you have to write here to the place print. You can write a equals to the path of the text file. Path of the text file. To do that, press to the text file, press to the right, click on the mouse and properties. After you will be available to see the path of this file desktop, but you have to add here something. Here, doubleize these diagonalic lines and plus add here 1.txt. And then write here os.startFile, and that's all. Start file A. Great. So now if we will start this, right here the hour 4 and 42 p.m. and wait for it. When the time will be 4:42, you will see in the screen text file. And until the time comes, I'm gonna write here subscribe. I'm gonna save it. Then I will go here, go to the, as you can see, after 20 seconds, we're gonna get the 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's great. So you can make it with music file. So this file can be music file. You can press the right click on the music properties, any file, rename it just shortly. If you will make a mistake in one word, it is not gonna open. So that's why I put the 1 to make the risk of mistake. That was my video, guys. So if you want me to do that more, to teach you more about these kind of systems, just press like and subscribe my channel. Let's develop and be 1000 subscribers. I love you guys. I believe in you. Stay with Windows Online and see you next time.